In today's video, I am going to teach you how to invite students to your Miro board. To begin, open Miro and go to the board you want your students to access. This can be a brand new board or one you have already been working on. The important thing is that you are inside the board itself, so you can manage sharing and permissions. Once your board is open, look for the sharing area at the top of the screen. In Miro, inviting people usually starts from a share link. Click on the share or invite option so you can see the board access settings. This is where you control who can open the board and what they are allowed to do once they are inside. Next, click on the board link that appears in the sharing panel. This is the link you will send to students. In some cases, the link may look long and complex, but that is normal. You do not need to edit it. You just need to select it so it can be copied and shared through your usual class channel, such as your learning platform, a message, or a classroom post. Make sure you copy the full link so it works correctly. After you have selected the link, focus on the access setting that determines who can use it. Click the option labeled Anyone with the link. This setting allows students to open the board without you needing to add each person individually. It is a useful choice for classes, especially when you have many students or when your roster changes. Now set the permission level. Click on Viewer. This means students can open the board and see the content, but they cannot edit or move anything. This is a good default for preventing accidental changes. If you later decide students should participate by adding notes or collaborating, you can return to the same place and adjust the permission level as needed, but for this walkthrough, keep it set to Viewer. At this point, your invite link is ready to share. Send the copied link to your students, and they will be able to access the board with the viewing permission you selected. And that covers everything you need to know.